Are you wondering what to do with your annual bonus? It's important to make the most of this extra money to secure your financial future. Receiving an annual bonus is an exciting opportunity to improve your financial situation and overall well-being. Here are some thoughtful ways you can consider utilizing your annual bonus. Number 1. Debt repayment. If you have outstanding debts such as credit card balances or loans, consider using your bonus to pay off or significantly reduce them. This can save you money on interest payments in the long run and improve your financial health. Number 2. Emergency fund. Ensure you have a sufficient emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. If your emergency fund is lacking, use your bonus to bolster it. Number 3. Investments. Consider investing your bonus in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds to help grow your wealth over time. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 4. Retirement savings. Boost your retirement savings by contributing to a 401k IRA or other retirement accounts. Maximizing your contributions can help secure your financial future and take advantage of potential tax benefits. Number 5. Education or skill development. Invest in yourself by using your bonus to further your education or develop new skills. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops, or obtaining certifications that enhance your career prospects and earning potential. Number 6. Home improvements. If you own a home, consider using your bonus to make necessary repairs or upgrades that can increase its value or improve your quality of life. This could include renovating the kitchen, upgrading appliances, or enhancing energy efficiency. Number 7. Charitable giving. Use a portion of your bonus to support causes or organizations that are meaningful to you. Whether it's donating to a local charity, volunteering your time, or sponsoring a community initiative, giving back can provide a sense of fulfillment and make a positive impact on others. 8. Travel or experiences. Treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable experience or vacation with a portion of your bonus. Whether it's exploring a new destination, attending a special event, or enjoying a relaxing getaway, investing in experiences can create lasting memories and enrich your life. 9. Health and wellness. Invest in your health and well-being by using your bonus to cover expenses related to fitness memberships, wellness retreats, or healthcare services. Prioritizing your physical and mental health can lead to greater happiness and productivity. 10. Savings goals. If you have specific savings goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or funding your children's education, allocate a portion of your bonus towards achieving them. Setting aside money regularly can help you make steady progress towards your long-term objectives. Ultimately, the best use of your annual bonus will depend on your individual financial situation, goals, and priorities. Consider a combination of these options or tailor them to align with your personal circumstances and aspirations.